What are we doing today? I mean, we could...
Actually, before we start planning, I need to tell you something.
What's going on?
I lost my phone.
Oh no! When did you realise?
It was yesterday when we got back from the hangout.
Hey, it's alright. We'll find it. Let's just retrace our steps.
It's so hot. Do you want to get ice cream?
Yeah, that stinks.
Bro, don't even.
The only bad thing was it went on really, really hot. Like, I was like, okay, round up. But it was good, and all the actors were good, and everyone did a great job. I mean, I've definitely watched it again. You're okay?
Yeah.
It's alright, we'll find it. Let's just have a good day. I had so much fun today. Honestly forgot to keep looking for your phone.
Well, this is the last spot to check, and it's getting a bit late, and my mum always wants me back before sunset. That's probably mum now.
I thought you said you lost your phone.
I didn't lose it. I'm moving away and I couldn't bear to tell you. I made up the first thing that came to my head. I'm moving to the city.
I know, Maggie. You're pretty bad at hiding stuff.
This whole time you knew?
Yeah.
I just wanted to spend my last day with you and have the best time I can.
Yeah, me too.
I don't want to be missing you looking out of cold, smoggy tram windows. I don't want to have to go to an expensive Melbourne pool. I want to swim in this river with you. We've been friends since we were 5 and I feel like I'm chucking it all away.
You're not chucking it away. Being in this boring town of View has made it not boring at all. And when you come back to visit, it'll be just like today. And it's not your fault you're leaving. At least we found your phone, so you can call me every day.